So use a transformation of the graph y equals x to the fifth to graph the function. So one thing to pick up on is y equals x to the fifth is very similar to y equals x cubed. It's going to kind of be snake-like. So notice that if you put 0, 0 there, you get that. 1, 1, you get that. And -1, -1, you'd get that. But notice that if you put a 2 in, 2 to the fifth power is like 32. It's way up here somewhere. And the same way, if you put a -2 in, -2 to the fifth power is going to be like a -32. So this graph is going to kind of be snake-like. So also, if you wanted to, you can use your graphing calculator and type in the parent function x to the power of 5. Okay, graph. Notice my graph is all messed up again. Do you remember what we need to do there? So yeah, we have to go to zoom and then change number 6 there to that. While we're at it, if at y equals, it's probably a good idea to go ahead and turn this plot 1 back off. So if I highlight plot 1, hit enter, that'll take the statistical stuff back out of there. I'll go to graph. So notice how this -5 is on the outside. So since -5 is on the outside, this means this graph should shift down vertically by 5. So this one, it looks like this is the x and y axis. That looks like that went left 5. We don't want that. This one looks like, here's the x and y axis. It looks like this one went right 5. Here's the x-axis, here's the y-axis. Notice how that one went up 5. And here again, here's the x-axis here, and there's the y-axis. Notice how there's this 0, -5. That's the one we're looking at, is that one. So this one looks like this best matches what we want. So if I type in y equals x to the fifth, we'll put that in the second one here, x to the fifth. And if I do -5, if I graph that, notice how it does just move the graph in a vertical direction. So notice how on here you have to kind of pay attention to where the x and y axes are. They're kind of offset there. So you can also pay attention to the order pair. That 0, -5 kind of really picks up on what we're talking about there.